Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a short presentation video that I did on 5 common affiliate marketing mistakes that beginners make. And any resources that I talk about in the presentation, plus a blog post, will be in the description. So let's go watch that presentation and then I'll be back. 5 common affiliate marketing mistakes beginners make. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a presentation that I'm doing on the 5 common affiliate marketing mistakes that beginners make. Choosing the wrong niche. Beginners often choose niches based on trends and personal interests without considering whether the niche is profitable, or there's a lot of competition for it, or there's an audience demand. This can lead to difficulty in generating traffic and conversions. The next most common mistake that beginning affiliate marketers make is they do lack of research. They don't thoroughly research affiliate programs and products, and this can lead to promoting low quality and irrelevant products. This can damage their credibility and reduce chances of earning commissions. The third most common affiliate marketing mistake that beginners make is neglecting SEO and quality content. Many beginning affiliate marketers overlook the importance of search engine optimization, or SEO, and high quality content. Poorly optimized content won't rank well on search engines and leads to low quality organic traffic. The fourth common affiliate marketing mistake that beginners make is not building an email list. They fail to capture leads, nurture leads through an email list that can result in missed opportunities for repeat sales and long-term relationships with customers, and you will need an autoresponder service for this. We do use a service and recommend a service called Aweber, and there is a link to a free trial of Aweber in the description. The fifth most common affiliate marketing mistake that beginners make is focusing solely on selling. Beginners often prioritize aggressive selling over providing value. This alienates customers. Building trust and providing valuable content is essential in long-term success in affiliate marketing. So there you have it. Those are the 5 most common affiliate marketing mistakes that beginners make. By avoiding these mistakes, and you'll be on your road to affiliate marketing success. Okay, I'm back, and that was a short presentation video that I did on 5 common affiliate marketing mistakes beginners make. And any resources and a blog post will be in the description. So I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.